my channel. Sorry, there's a plane going overhead. Let me just wait a second. So today for you, I have my very first subscription box from Manga Spice Cafe. I wanted to give them a try because I've been really into manga lately, and they give you 3 volumes of like the first volume in a series, and you get 3 different ones, and then you also get snacks from around the world. So I thought this would be really cool. I did go ahead and open it. There is a snack missing because my daughter saw this and was like, ooh, food. So they had a little egg roll, fried egg roll that was like sweet. So she got that. The first thing when you open it up, you get this like magazine type thing for the month. It was a Double Trouble. I absolutely love this art. And then it is like the 91st box. And then you get your snacks. So I guess every month you get chopsticks as well as like ramen. And this is chicken flavor with mushroom. I'm gonna move this out of the way so we can see everything. We have our ramen here. Next up is this fruit juice gummies. So it looks like we get some little like gummy snacks. These are, I don't know what these are. Little Prince brand. Oh, these are like noodles. Noodle oodles. So I guess like just little snack noodle candy thing. I don't know. Can't wait to try them though. We have Cheetos, which I absolutely love. We got Cheetos. We got these sticks. Looks like they're like little like cookies with cream in the middle of them. I don't necessarily know what this is, but it looks really good. It looks like it feels like there's a stick in it, so almost like a little lollipop. You always get a drink, so this is a lime drink. Oh, it's lemon tea. So it's a lime lemon tea drink. Okay. And then we got like a Twinkie that looks like it's orange flavored. And then we got these pizza. They're called corn tubes. And these look like the pizza rolls that you can buy with different flavors. So those are the snacks. I love that we get ramen because my husband and I love us some ramen. Definitely that will get eaten. Those are great for late night snacks if you're staying up late watching movies and stuff. That's when we eat them the most. And then we get 3 manga. First in a volume. 2 of these were actually on my wish list. And one of these is new to me. So the first one we have is Let's Do It Already. So obviously this will be like a romance. So it says free-spirited Yuri and straight-lace Kichiro have fallen in love, but his elite politic family producing a line of prime ministers doesn't allow male descendants to engage in any sexual relations until they are 18. Can the physical attraction Yuri and rule-abiding Kiro keep their relationship strictly chaste? Yuri and Kiro have gotten to know each other on their daily commute to their respective high schools. Yuri makes a passionate love confession to Kichiro, and he feels the same. Yuri rushes in to kiss her new boyfriend, but what? So he's a straight-laced guy, and she's a lovesick puppy. So we'll see how that is. This was on my wish list, so I'm definitely excited to have this volume and give it a try. So this is on their website. This one was like featured, so the Trillion game. This is volume 1, and I don't really know much about this one. So I think it's just about these guys that want to set out to make $1 trillion, and they start their own company. And yeah, that's all I know about it. So I will give it a try to see if I like it. And this one does say there is explicit content on it. So just beware for your kids and stuff. And then the last one is Suzume #1. My husband and I watched the movie. I absolutely enjoyed the movie. And this just came out in English, I think, or in book form. And it has been on my wish list, and I'm so happy to have it. So, anyway, so Suzume is the girl, and she's a junior in high school. Has no idea what. So as she's going to high school, she runs into a beautiful stranger that she meets, and he is Sota, and he pretty much, he has a key, and he has to close these doors to the mythical realm. And unbeknown to Suzume, she opens a door and lets out one of the spirits, and then they have to catch the spirit in order to bring order back to the world. So definitely excited about that. So those are the 3 manga we got this month. And again, this was Double Trouble. And for next month, we get a little bit of a spoiler in the little magazine. We're going to have Before Demon Slayer, and we're going to have a Happy Halloween box. So yeah, that sounds yummy. Sounds good. And I have definitely watched Demon Slayer, just haven't read it. So I'm excited to see what that is. And this picture is just so gorgeous. I think I'm going to keep it and cut it out and put it in a notebook. So anyway, that was our order, or our first subscription box to Manga Cafe. And I will make sure to put it out next month as well. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.